Hi there, it's Susie. Welcome to day 6 of 7 days of yoga wheel. Now if you're ready, get your wheel and let's begin. Begin in a seated position, placing the wheel behind your back and placing your feet over the mat, bending from the knees. Take a deep breath in and roll back, placing your palms in front of you in prayer position and slowly lower down. Inhale, rolling back. And exhale, rolling down, hands are in front of you, roll back, and as you exhale, roll forward. Feel free to close your eyes and move with your breath. Now slowly lower down. Resettle in your wheel, maybe come a little bit forward so you have space to roll. And roll back and extend your arms up and back. And slowly lower the hips down, rolling forward. Inhale, roll back, arms are extended. And exhale down. Inhale back, exhale down, keeping your chin tucked. Now interlace your fingers at the base of your skull and roll back and hold here. Keeping your chin tucked as always. Your elbows are pointing out. And settle in your wheel. And slowly lower down. Now take a deep breath in and roll back one more time. Arms are extended. And down, keeping the arms extended. Inhale, rolling back. And exhale, coming down. Inhale, roll. Exhale, down. Let's take a few more, moving with your breath. Now, as you roll back, see if you feel comfortable lowering your head down all the way. Just like this. If it doesn't feel comfortable, feel free to find a comfortable spot here or so. If you feel comfortable, drop your head down, keeping your arms and legs extended. And slowly lower the hips down and tuck your chin in. Nice work. Now, finding a comfortable seat, bring the soles of your feet together, keeping the wheel behind you. Place your fingers in the wheel, thumbs are out, and roll the wheel back until you feel a nice stretch in the upper back, keeping the arms extended and puffing your chest out. Take a deep breath in, throwing the shoulder blades in together, and breath out. Inhale, filling your lungs with air, and slowly exhale. One more breath in. And as you exhale, bring the wheel closer to your body. Now let's roll back again. Rolling back. Drop your head down if you feel comfortable. And place your hands over the mat. Fingertips are pointing at the heels and elbows are pointing up. Press firmly into the palms. Now lower down on your head so the crown of your head will touch the mat. Find a comfortable position in the wheel. Take your time here. And bring your feet closer to the wheel. Grounding your hands down on the mat. Lift your left leg up and extend. And lower down, bending from the knee. Extend your left leg and bend. Extend. Engage the core to maintain your balance. Extend. Down. One more. Extending the leg and slowly lowering down. Now let's repeat on the right side. Right leg goes up and slowly lower down. Keep the core engaged. Press firmly into your left foot, extend your right leg, lower down. Inhale up, exhale, lower down, up and down. And slowly release. Let's hold here for a few breaths. Feel free to extend your legs or keep them bent, whichever feels best to you. I will keep them bent. And slowly roll back into your seat. Take a moment to rest, keeping the wheel behind your back. Find a comfortable seat. You can cross your legs or bring the soles of your feet together for an added hip flexor stretch and lean back on your wheel. Filling your lungs with air. Relaxing your face. Now, whenever you're ready, place your feet over the mat and roll back, dropping your head, grounding the crown of your head over the mat. Keeping the legs extended or bent, grab onto your opposite elbows and begin to relax into this pose. And grounding your hands down, roll back into your seat. Now come on your knees and let's end our practice in child's pose. We won't use the wheel this time, so you can put it aside. And bring your big toes together and open your knees as wide as your mat and extend your arms straight. And lower your forehead down. Activate your fingertips. Press your armpits into the mat. And begin to relax. Breathe in on a count of 5. Hold. And breathe out on a count of 5. One more time. Breathe in on a count of 5. Hold. And breathe out on a count of 5. And go on. And rise up whenever you feel ready. That's it for our practice today. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.